Hello viewer, welcome to the YouTube channel FahadYounas. Today I will discuss the topic lipids and their classification. Introduction to lipids. Lipids are classified into four types: fatty acids, glycerolipids, sphingolipids, and sterols. Each type plays a specific role in the body. Simple lipids. Simple lipids are esters of fatty acids and various alcohols. They are classified into fats, waxes, and oils based on their properties. Compound lipids. Compound lipids are classified into phospholipids, glycolic lipid, and lipoproteins. They are essential for cell membrane structure and function. Derived lipids. Derived lipids are classified into two types: steroids and terpenes. Steroids include cholesterol, testosterone, and estrogen. Terpenes include carotenoids and vitamin A. Classification of lipids. Simple lipids are made up of fatty acids and glycerol. Compound lipids are formed by a combination of simple lipids with other chemical groups. Derived lipids are not formed from the combination of simple and compound lipids but are instead derived from them. Lipids and their classification. Lipids are a diverse group of organic compounds that are an essential part of living organisms. They serve various important functions, including energy storage, structural components of cell membranes, insulation, and signaling molecules. Lipids are hydrophobic, which means they are not soluble in water but are soluble in organic solvents like alcohol and ether. Lipids can be broadly classified into several categories based on their structure and function. Fatty acids. Fatty acids are the building blocks of many lipids. They are long hydrocarbon chains within a carboxylic group at one end. Fatty acids can be saturated, no double bonds between carbon atoms, or unsaturated, containing one or more double bonds. Point A. Saturated fatty acid. They have no double bonds in their hydrocarbon chains and are typically solid at room temperature. Examples include palmitic acid and citric acid. Point B. Unsaturated fatty acids. These contain one or more double bonds in their hydrocarbon chains and are usually liquid at room temperature. Examples include oleic acid and lincolnic acid. Triglycerides. Triglycerols. Triglycerides are the most common dietary fats and are composed of three fatty acids attached to a glycerol molecule. They serve as a major energy storage from in the body. Phospholipids. Phospholipids are a class of lipids that have a phosphate group in their structure. They have a curical component of cell membranes within a hydraulic attracting head and two hydrophobic water repelling trail. Phosphor Tridoclane and phosphatidylserine are examples of phospholipids. Steroids. Steroids have a characteristic four-ring structure. They include hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and cortisol, as well as cholesterol, which is a critical component of cell membranes and a precursor to many other steroids. Lipoproteins. Lipoproteins are complex of compounds and lipids and proteins. They transport lipids through the bloodstream. Examples include high density lipoprotein and low density lipoprotein. Waxes. Waxes are esters of fatty acids with long chain alcohols. They have a variety of functions, including serving as waterproofing agents in plants and as protective coatings on animal fur or feeders. Isoprenoids. Terpenoids. Isoprenoids are a diverse group of lipids derived from the 5 carbon compound isoprene. They include molecules like carotenoids, pigments in plants, and sterols, example cholesterol. Eicosanoid, econic are signally molecules derived from arachidonic acid, a type of fatty acid. They play a role in inflammation, blood coating, and immune responses. Lipids are essentially for maintaining the structure and function of cells, and they are involved in numerous biological processes. Their diversity in structure and function makes them a critical group of molecules in biochemistry and biology. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my knowledge on lipids classification with you today. We appreciate your support for FahadYounas channel. Please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching my video.